Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's the type of content you enjoy, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and become a socialite. So today's day 4 in Vlogmas. I'll be releasing a video every single day in the month of December. So to open up the video, let's unlock day 4 in our Sephora advent calendar. So day 4 is here. Okay, looks like we have a fragrance. This is the Maison Louis Marie perfume oil. Okay, I've heard of this before. It's really earthy. It's earthy, tiny bit sweet. Smells like something from the 90s and a little earthy. Not really my type of fragrance, but she's cute. Maison Louis Marie number 13, Nouvelle Vogue. Feel like it's in French. Perfume oil. So today I'm going to show you guys my winter makeup routine. When it gets colder outside, I tend to get dry patches on my skin, and sometimes I need more emollient products. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the products that I use in the colder months to get this look. Okay, socialites, so for me, winter makeup is about packing more moisture on than normal for me. So I'll start off with the MAC Hyper-Real Serumizer. This is like a serum. It's really good, very hydrating. I've already done my skincare routine and stopped off at toner. So I take about 2 pumps in the wintertime. In the summer, I usually do about 1, but in winter, I need a little bit more. And I like to let this sit into the skin about 2 minutes before I move on to the next step. For primer, I'm going to use the MAC Hyper-Real Skin Canvas Balm. So this works well in conjunction with the actual serum. Super moisturizing. I love to use this in the wintertime. So I'm going to take probably about this much. Then I'm going to use my Give face oil, and I'm going to take 2 drops of this. It comes in a little dropper form, and mix 2 drops in with my moisturizer / primer. Let's give that a mix and then work that into the skin. Just want to make sure that the makeup glides on really smooth and I don't have any dry patches, because I tend to get dry patches every now and again in the winter time. So now that the moisturizer has been sitting for 2 to 3 minutes on the skin, we're going in with foundation. So I'm going to use my Westman Atelier foundation stick. I actually prefer to use cream foundations in the winter time. I just feel like it stays better and it glides on so smooth, especially with the base that we've laid down. So I'm going to start in the areas that I need the most coverage first. And I'm using my Sephora Pro brush. This is the number 88 brush. So the Westman Atelier stick also doubles as a concealer. A lot of people don't know that. So the areas where I feel like I need additional coverage, I'm just gonna add a little bit more. For concealer, I'm going in with a full coverage concealer. So this is going to be a full coverage look. I'm going to use the Quickie Concealer from Urban Decay and not apply too much. You guys, it's very easy to apply too much of this one. It has a really big applicator and you only need a little bit. This is one of those concealers that dries pretty quick, so I find it better to blend one eye and then apply and blend the next. To set my highlighted areas, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This one's the Ultra Blur formula. So I'm going to take the regular formula of the Laura Mercier powder for the rest of the face. Fill in my brows with my LYS brow pencil. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Julia's Place Coffee Shop palette. These 2 light shades are going to go on the lid, and then the browns are going to go in the crease. The brushes I'm going to use for my eyes is going to come from this Real Techniques Daily Swipe eye set that comes with eye brushes and then eye tape. So the eye tape is not super sticky. I was worried about it sticking to my makeup or pulling my makeup, but it's not super sticky at all. It's like a really light hold, and then it tears off really easy as well. I'm going to take my Maybelline pencil and glazed toffee. e.l.f. pencil in thrift shop. Dust away the excess powder with my MAC 150 brush. and lightly dust all over with my NARS powder. This one's in the shade Offshore. Fenty Hella Thick Mascara. Using my Caudalie Beauty Elixir, I'm just gonna melt the makeup into the skin. For blush, I'm gonna use MAC's blush in the shade Format. Crucifix lip liner from KVD Beauty. And MAC lip gloss in Dangerous Curves. Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. And lock everything in place with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Spray. So this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Comment down below, let me know what are some of those products that you add to your wintertime makeup routine. Every single thing that I used today will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.